Hey guys, welcome back to Mr.Laowai-English Tech. Today we have got BOYALINK wireless microphone for a vast budget. The BOYA brand's latest offering, the BOYA. It is going to be an in-depth review and I will even unbox it to show you what's inside. So stick around till the end to find out if it's worth the investment. So this is the box. Right before I was using this Rode. It is very nice, very good wireless microphone, but the problem is this wiring. It is very uncomfortable. For example, if I connect this with my phone, so I need this wiring and it is not very comfortable to record. But now I have this BOYA wireless, so let's see. First things first, let's dive right into the unboxing. The packaging is sleek and professional. As we open it up, we are greeted with a well-organized setup. Inside the box, you will find the BOYALINK, 2 transmitters and our receiver units, a windshield for a mic, a USB-C and Apple Lightning. It's compatible with smartphones. Actually, not only smartphone, it's also compatible with cameras, tablets, computer and more. This black box can charge the transmitters and receiver while traveling. This is so cool and I really need this kind of stuff. And in the other box, there is a handy carry pouch, which is also cool. You know, you just put all the stuff inside and you carry it. And of course, a user manual to get you started. Overall, the presentations get a big thumbs up from me. Now let's talk about the design and build quality. The BOYALINK units have a sleek matte black finish with a compact and robust build. They feel sturdy and well crafted, making them easy to handle. The OLED screens on both the transmitters and receiver provide useful information. There are buttons for power, mute and channel selection. The mic input and headphone output are conveniently located. Moving on the features of the BOYALINK, this wireless microphone system boasts quite a few. It operates in the 2.4 GHz frequency range for a stable connection. The range is impressive, up to 50 meters. The receiver has a headphone jack for real-time audio monitoring. The transmitter supports real-time audio adjustments with a 3.5 mm audio input. Starting up with the BOYALINK is a breeze. Start by charging the units with the provide USB-C cable, then pair the transmitter and receiver by following the user manual. It's a quick and simple process that even beginners can handle. Alright guys, now let's get to the most crucial aspect, audio quality. I'm using this BOYALINK, I'm holding this, okay? And I'm using iPhone to recording this video, and there is a receiver. Yes, so this is a transmitter and I'm going to walk to the gate. It's very far, okay? This is the distance. It's like more than 2 feet. I'm recording this, so I'm going to walk. Okay, I'm showing my face to the camera, so that's why it must be recording very good, right? But what about now? I'm showing my back and walking, and if it's still the result is good, means wow, right? So I reached here and still I'm going to walk. I'm still walking, okay? The receiver is very far from me, and if it catched my voice, it means wow, man. Okay, I'm here now, okay? I'm going backward, and I would say that I already tested this 2 days ago and I really love the result. It's better than the Rode wireless microphone. Really, it's better, really. I love it. It's more cheaper than that, and it offers too much things. If you are a vlogger or a content creator or a presenter, this BOYALINK is like offering you the big system. You know, it is perfect for you, and the freedom it offers is truly liberating. I love it, guys. In terms of battery life, the BOYALINK does a great job. The transmitter and receiver both have rechargeable batteries. I have used them for extended recording sections without any issues. You can get around 8 hours of continuous use on a full charge, which is pretty impressive. So wrapping things up, the BOYA brand's BOYALINK wireless microphone system is a fantastic addition to any content creator's toolkit. It's well built, offers excellent audio quality, and is user-friendly. The convenience of wireless recording can't be overstated. If you ask me, is it worth it? I say absolutely, because of the price. If you compare with other wireless microphone, I would definitely say it is perfect. Okay, at least perfect for me. And if you are looking to level up your audio game, I highly recommend the BOYALINK. If you like my content, please consider to subscribe to my channel, and we will see you in the next video. So stay connected and stay curious. Bye.